Does the Aqua Sculpt supplement really help you lose weight? Or is it just another overhyped trend? Great question. And in this video, I'm giving you the full breakdown. What it is, how it works, what's in it, who it's for, and whether or not it's actually worth your money. And if you stay until the end, I'll share an exclusive 50% off discount link you won't find anywhere else. Seriously, don't miss that. Let's get into it. So first, what is Aqua Sculpt? Aqua Sculpt is a plant-based weight loss supplement designed to help you burn fat, reduce cravings, and boost your metabolism, all with one capsule a day taken with cold water. That's where the whole ice water hack comes in. The cold water slightly raises your metabolic rate, and the supplement is formulated to amplify that natural effect. No meal plans, no crazy workouts, no starving yourself. Now let's talk about the ingredients, because this is where Aqua Sculpt actually stands out. It includes green tea extract, a proven metabolism booster and natural fat burner. It helps your body burn more calories, even while resting. L-carnitine. This compound helps convert fat into energy, so you're not just losing fat, you're using it as fuel. Chlorogenic acid, found in green coffee beans, this helps control blood sugar spikes and reduce appetite, which is huge for people who snack a lot or deal with cravings. And here's the best part. Aqua Sculpt contains no artificial fillers, no jittery stimulants, and no harsh chemicals. So you're not getting that crash or anxiety a lot of people feel with fat burners or diet pills. Now, who is Aqua Sculpt actually for? It's not for bodybuilders or extreme fitness people. It's for real people who want real results. People who want to feel lighter, healthier, and more in control of their appetite without flipping their life upside down. If you've struggled with stubborn belly fat, if you snack late at night or crave sugar constantly, if you've hit a plateau and nothing seems to work anymore, Aqua Sculpt was made for you. So, does it actually work? Here's what people are saying. One woman reported losing 4 pounds in her first 2 weeks with no intense workouts. Another person said they felt way less bloated and had more energy without relying on caffeine. Others mentioned eating smaller portions naturally, without even trying. Is it a magic pill? Number. But when you combine Aqua Sculpt with simple daily habits like drinking water and moving your body, the results can absolutely happen. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, should I try it? Here's my honest opinion. Yes, if you're ready for something natural, clean, and realistic. You're not signing up for a restrictive diet or a 90-day boot camp. You're adding one capsule to your daily routine and letting your body do the work. And like I promised, here's your exclusive offer. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to get 50% off your first bottle of Aqua Sculpt today. This deal isn't available in stores or on Amazon, and it's a limited time offer, so grab it before it's gone. Try it for 7 days and see how you feel. Less cravings, more energy, and real weight loss without changing your entire life. Thanks for watching, and if you grab Aqua Sculpt, let me know your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story.